Hello everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. Today we are going to be practicing questions 41 to 60 out of our 1000 questions for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. This is our session 3 out of the 50 sessions. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Let us begin without any delay. Question 41. Which of these AWS services helps you to simplify management of multiple AWS accounts? First option AWS config, second option AWS CloudTrail, third option AWS organizations, fourth option AWS trusted advisor. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 3 AWS organizations. Question 42. Which of these is a managed AWS service to run your unit tests and build your source package? First option AWS Code Deploy, second option AWS Code Pipeline, third option Amazon CloudWatch, fourth option AWS Code Build. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 4 AWS Code Build. Question 43. Which of these programs gets you help from other consulting and technology firms to design and build services in AWS? First option AWS Service Quotas, second option AWS System Manager, third option AWS Partner Network, fourth option AWS Marketplace. Guess the answer. The correct answer is AWS Partner Network, option 3. Question 44. You need to store archives for 20 years for regulatory compliance. Which of these AWS services provides you storage at the lowest cost? First option Amazon Elastic Bookstore EBS, second option Amazon S3, third option Amazon Glacier, fourth option AWS Storage Gateway. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 3 Amazon Glacier. Question 45. AWS Shield Advanced provides expanded data attack protection for web applications running on which of the following resources? You have to select two options. First option Amazon Route 53, second option AWS Global Accelerator, third option AWS CloudFormation, fourth option Amazon API Gateway, fifth option AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Guess the answer. Option 1 and option 2 Amazon Route 53 and AWS Global Accelerator. These are the correct answers. Question 46. Which AWS service can be used to mitigate a distributed denial of service, which is a DDoS attack? First option AWS KMS, second option AWS Systems Manager, third option Amazon CloudWatch, fourth option AWS Shield. Okay, guess the answer. The correct answer is AWS Shield, fourth option. 47. Which of the following AWS services comes under the software as a service cloud computing type? First option Amazon Recognition, second option Elastic Load Balancing, third option Amazon EC2, fourth option AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Amazon Recognition, which is the first option. Question 48. The QA team at a company wants a tool or service that can provide access to different mobile devices with variations in firmware and operating system versions. Which AWS service can address this use case? First option AWS Code Pipeline, second option AWS Device Farm, third option AWS Elastic Beanstalk, fourth option AWS Mobile Farm. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 2 AWS Device Farm. 49. An e-commerce company has migrated its IT infrastructure from the on-premises data center to AWS Cloud. Which of the following costs is the company responsible for? First option costs for powering services on AWS Cloud, second option costs for hardware infrastructure on AWS Cloud, third option application software license costs, fourth option AWS data center physical security costs. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option, application software license costs. Question 50. Which AWS service can be used to view the most comprehensive billing details for the past month? First option AWS Budgets, second option AWS Cost Explorer, third option AWS Cost and Usage Reports, fourth option AWS Pricing Calculator. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option, AWS Cost and Usage Reports. Question 51. Historically, IT departments had to over-provision for peak demand. IT professionals may bring this legacy mindset to the table when they build their cloud infrastructure, leading to over-provisioned resources and unnecessary costs. Right sizing of resources is necessary to reduce infrastructure costs while still using cloud functionality optimally. Which feature of the AWS cloud refers to the right sizing of the resources? First option, resiliency. 2, reliability. 3, horizontal scaling. 4, elasticity. Guess the answer. The correct answer is fourth option, elasticity. 52. Which of the following can an AWS customer use to launch a new Elasticache cluster? You have to select two options. First option, AWS CloudFormation. 2, AWS Management Console. 3, AWS Systems Manager. Fourth option, AWS Concierge. Fifth option, AWS Data Pipeline. Guess the answer. First option, AWS CloudFormation. Second option, AWS Management Console. These are the correct answers. Question 53. Customers using AWS services must patch operating systems on which of the following services? First option, Amazon DynamoDB. Second option, AWS Fargate. Third option, Amazon EC2. Fourth option, AWS Lambda. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Amazon EC2, which is third option. Question 54. Which AWS service protects against common exploits that could compromise application availability, compromise security, or consume excessive resources? First option, AWS WAF. Second option, Network ACL. Third option, AWS Shield. Fourth option, Security Group. Guess the answer. The correct answer is first option, AWS WAF. Question 55. What are edge locations used for? First option, they are public facing APIs for Amazon S3. Second option, they are used for terminating VPN connections. Third option, they are used by CloudFront for caching content. Fourth option, they are used by regions for inter-region connectivity. Guess the answer. Third option, they are used by CloudFront for caching content is the correct answer. Question 56. What are the two components of Amazon S3? You have to select two options. First option, block devices. 2, directories. Third, buckets. Fourth, file systems. Fifth, objects. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 3, buckets. Option 5, objects. Question 57. A company wants to utilize a pay-as-you-go cloud model for all of their applications without capex costs and which is highly elastic. Which cloud delivery model will suit them best? First option, public. Second option, private. Third option, on-premise. Fourth option, hybrid. Guess the answer. The correct answer is first option, public. Question 58. A cloud practitioner needs to rapidly deploy a popular IT solution and start using it immediately. What should the cloud practitioner use? First option, AWS Well Architect Framework Documentation. Second option, AWS Quick Start Reference Deployments. Third option, Amazon CloudFront. Fourth option, AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option, AWS Quick Start Reference Deployments. Question 59. According to the AWS shared responsibility model, which of the following is a shared control? First option, protection of infrastructure. Second option, operating system patching. Third option, awareness and training. Fourth option, client-side data encryption. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 3, awareness and training. Question number 60. How can database administrator reduce operational overhead for a MySQL database? First option, migrate the database onto AWS Lambda. Second option, migrate the database onto an EC2 instance. Third option, migrate the database onto an Amazon RDS instance. Fourth option, use AWS CloudFormation to manage operations. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option, migrate the database onto an Amazon RDS instance. So that's all for today's video. In our next video, we are going to practice questions from question 61 to 80. So please stay tuned for that and like and subscribe to our channel. Keep practicing for your exams. Thank you, take care and bye.